Today, I'm going to show you how to sort table by selected column. So in this exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select any of the cell. Like if I select the cell under the sequence number, and that sequence number column will be sorted either in ascending or descending. Same thing will happen when I select any of the cell under the salesperson. The salesperson column will be sorted as well as the product, the region, and the sales. All I have to do is create the VBA macro in order for me to be able to select and sort any of the column. So I'm going to access the VBA editor, Alt F11. I'm going to insert the module number 1. Then I'm going to close these two windows here so that I would have a bigger screen. So I'm going to write the macro, and I'm going to name my macro sort by selected column. Selected column, enter. And then for my variable dim, call as integer. And then call equals active cell dot column. Okay, and then enter. And the next thing is I'm gonna specify the range, open parenthesis, quotation mark, A1, quotation mark, close. Okay, and then that current region, okay, that sort, space, then underscore, then enter. Okay, then okay, indent, I'm gonna say key 1, and then colon, equal sign, then cells, and then open parenthesis, number 1, comma, and then call, and then close, then comma, then order number 1, order 1, then again colon, then equal sign, then XL ascending. So I'm gonna start with ascending. Later on I'm gonna use the descending. Okay, I'm gonna do the ascending first, then I'm gonna include header, and then colon equals XLS, then enter. Okay, all right. So this is the code that I'm gonna use to sort any of the column either in ascending or descending later. Then I'm gonna go back to Excel, and then I'm gonna start with the sequence column, sequence number 1 to okay, smallest number to biggest number is already sorted ascending. I'm gonna do that later. Then in column B, any of the cells I'm gonna select. Okay, I'm gonna select any of the cell, and then I'm gonna open the macro dialog box, and then I'm gonna run it. So the salesperson is already sorted in ascending order. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort the product column or under C column. So any of the cell I'm gonna select, then Alt F8. Okay, the dialog box will open, and I'm gonna run the macro. Okay, the product is already sorted in ascending order. Okay, then I'm gonna do it in region column. I'm gonna press Alt F8, then I'm gonna run the macro. Okay, now the region is also sorted in ascending order. Okay, alright, and then also in sales I can also do it in figures, numbers, and any of the cell. Just select any of the cell, and then Alt F8 to get the dialog box of the macro, then run. Okay, the cells is already sorted in ascending order, meaning from the smallest number at the top, and then the biggest number or the largest number at the bottom. Okay, so that's it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna sort any of the column by descending order. Okay, all I have to do is I'm gonna get the dialog box, and then I'm gonna edit the macro, and then I'm gonna change this ascending to descending. Okay, and I'm going back to Excel again. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort the sequence number. Okay, then I'm gonna select any of the cell, and then Alt F8, and then I'm gonna run it. Okay, now the sequence number is sorted in descending order, meaning from biggest or the largest number down to the smallest number down below. Okay, there it is. Right, so I'm gonna do the salesperson column next, then Alt F8, and then I'm gonna run it. Okay, then the salesperson also deserted or sorted in descending order. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the product next. So select again any of the cell under the product column, and then Alt F8, run the macro. Okay, so the product is also sorted in descending order. Okay, so next I'm gonna do it for the region to be sorted. Then I'm gonna select, I'm gonna press Alt F8. Alt F8. Okay, then I'm gonna run it. Okay, I think I have not okay, I have to select the region cell, then Alt F8, and I'm gonna run it. Okay, so the region is also sorted in descending order, as well as I can also do it for the cells in descending order, meaning from largest to smallest numbers. So again, Alt F8, then I'm gonna run it. Then okay, the biggest or the largest number is on top, and the smallest numbers down below. Right, so okay, so that's how you do it. You could have as many columns across. Okay, across the rows you can have many columns. You can do as long as you select whichever column you want to sort. You just select the cell under that column, then you can select it, or you can sort it in ascending or descending order. So whenever we change the from ascending to descending, then descending to ascending, we have to edit, and that is a big hassle for us. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to experience that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create two macro, right? So I'm gonna show the Project Explorer to show the module 1. Then I'm gonna insert module number 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this code, Control C. Okay, then select module number 2, Control V to paste. Then in module 1, you got what do you have here? You got okay, that's it. This is descending. So in module 2, I'm gonna change this to ascending. Okay, so this would be ascending. Okay, that's it. So remember, module 1 is descending, and module number 2 is in ascending order. Okay, so I'm going back to Excel. So in order for me to be able to, I don't have to open every time the press the Alt F8 to get the the macro dialog box, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a button. Okay, I'm gonna create a button. I'm gonna put the button here, right? And this will be I'm gonna do it later. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it as ascending order. Okay, then I'm gonna copy this, then paste, Control V. Then I'm gonna change this to descending, so I'm gonna say descending. Alright, then I'm gonna assign the macro ascending. This is where is it? Macro module 2. Okay, click OK, and then this one is assign macro. This is module 1. Okay, so I'm gonna click the ascending. I'm gonna select the sequence number. I'm gonna click ascending. Okay, it is now ascending. I'm gonna click salesperson ascending. Okay, I'm gonna click product ascending. Gonna click region ascending. I'm gonna click sales ascending. Okay, so it's very easy, very quick. Now here in sequence, I'm gonna click descending. Now it is in descending order. The salesperson descending, the product descending, the region descending, the sales descending. Okay, I'm gonna get the sequence number ascending. Very easy thing to do, you know. If you have an automated system, even if you have a very large files of database, then it will be easy for you to, you know, to whichever column that you want to, you know, to sort in ascending order or sort in descending order, will be easy, and it will be very quick. Okay, so this is it for our exercise for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.